In today's video, I'm going to show you an honest side hustle to make money from home as a beginner in 2019. Let me ask you a question. How many side hustles do you need to make money from home as a beginner in 2019? Just one, your own, with a little help from your smartphone. The following side hustle for beginners to make money from home we are introducing today was founded in 2011 in California. So it has been around for a while, which is a good thing. Beginners looking for an honest side hustle to make money from home in 2019 should watch this video all the way to the end, because at the end of this video I will announce 3 bonus strategies that can give you a huge advantage over your competition. Let's take a look at Alice. She is a stay-at-home mother who quit her job recently. She is looking for an honest side hustle to replace some of her lost income fast. So, is there an honest side hustle for Alice to make money from home fast in 2019? Yes, indeed, there is a way for Alice to make money fast. Wow, Alice, for sure, somebody knew how to make money online from you. Look at all those things you bought and do not use anymore. Alice, you need to empty out your closet, make a pile of all the clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, and makeup that you don't use anymore. Now, let's take a look at this California-based honest side hustle to make money from home as a beginner in 2019. Let's see how it could work for Alice as a way to make money. Today, we are looking at Poshmark. Have you heard of this honest side hustle to make money from home before? Poshmark is a well-established website for buying and selling items that you do not want to use anymore. Its process is similar to eBay's, but it only accepts clothes, shoes, bags, accessories, and makeup. Poshmark might be a good fit for Alice, because Alice now has a closet full of business clothing, bags, dress shoes, and accessories that she doesn't wear anymore as a stay-at-home mother. She can join Poshmark and make money from home by selling the things she doesn't wear anymore. But first, Alice needs to prepare the following: Alice's work from home preparation checklist. How many of the following things do you have now, Alice? Camera. Your cell phone camera will do perfectly. Poster board or tidy wall, you want to have a nice background. Measuring tape. A measuring tape is a must. Stain remover. You will save many clothes by adding a little bit of stain remover and throwing them in the wash, Alice. Lint remover. To avoid a messy look, remove any lint before taking pictures. Dryel. Dry clean items at home with Dryel to save money. Lights. Use natural light. Or you can use lights and lamps from around your house. Photo editing apps. Photo editing apps are essential to your listings. There are many free ones available online. Here's an idea. You can take two separate photos and you can edit them together as one photo. This is a good way to show more variety. Boxes for shipping out your sold items. USPS provides them for free when you use their priority service. Note, you will be immediately emailed a shipping label from Poshmark after you make a sale, which is paid for by the buyer. See the examples on the next page. You can mail these in the blue mailbox, or if the item is too large, you can take it to the post office. So, be prepared, not scared, Alice. Make sure you have all these things on this checklist. The next thing you need to do, Alice, is photograph those items. Do a few photos per day to maintain photo quality and to avoid stress. Do not use a plastic hanger. Wood is good. Use a clean, bare wall for your background. Here is a marketing tip for you, Alice. Show other items you wore before with the one you have for sale. Again, keep in mind to have a tidy background when you take your photos. Here is an example of a good and bad background. The check showed the background, which is tidy. The red cross shows non-essentials in that photo. Can you spot them? Always respect your customer 100%, Alice. Sell things that are of good quality. For example, new with tags, excellent use condition, or new without tags. Your reputation online is everything, Alice. No pun intended, but put yourself in your potential customer's shoes for a moment and ask yourself, would I be satisfied with anything less than the standard of new with tags, excellent use condition, or new without tags? Here's a tip. Always offer your customer the best product you can to build and maintain your online reputation. Alice, the following things are what you need to include in your description. Include the size and all measurements. Buyers love measurements. Here is a measurement photo idea. Place a tape across the item that you're taking a photo of. Describe the material. For example, fleece of alpaca, good option for those with sensitive skin, blended with other natural fibers to strengthen the tension. Sometimes you want to show a close-up photo of the material and also say how it feels when you wear it. For example, super soft and warm, wonderful to wear during cooler weather. Alice, you got your preparation done and have some photos. Next. Follow these 3 simple steps to get your items listed on Poshmark. Alice, get the Poshmark app for free. You can download it from the Apple Store or from Google Play. Tap on the Sell button in the app. Alice, you are now ready to upload the photos that you have prepared, or you can take additional photos. You can take as many as 8, but if you edit 2 photos together, that gives you an opportunity to show more photos. To upload your photos, see step 2 below. Just drag your photo into the dotted box of the screen or upload your photos directly from your computer. Alice, each part of step 3 is very, very important. In step 3, we're going to take a very close look at your title, your description, and your price. Alice, please notice the differences that are good and bad concerning the title, the description, or the price. Here is an example of a useless title. Black leggings. Too general and has weak SEO, search engine optimization value. No search result will find your item. Here is an example of a very good title. Lululemon Black Ruched Leggings, size 4, excellent used condition. I give this title a 5-star rating because it includes the brand of the item, the color, the style, ruched, says they are leggings, not tights, the size, 4, and the condition, excellent used condition. So Alice, that's how you produce a title that is easy for your customer to understand so that you can quickly make some sales and start making money from home as a beginner in 2019. Here is the return policy for Poshmark. Alice, we are now going to the second very important part of step 3, the description of the item you are selling. One thing you should always do, Alice, is put the exact words of your title on the first line of your description. Lululemon Black Ruched Leggings, size 4, excellent used condition. Next, we will dive even deeper into how your informative description will help you to make money from home as a beginner very quickly in 2019. Let's check carefully to see if our description is as accurate as possible. Title added to the first line of your description? Check. How the item feels? Very cool on the skin. Measurement? Inseam approximately 28 inches. Details: black zipper pocket, 2 small pockets on the waist and 2 more on front sides. Black is darker than the photo shows. Check. Additional experience with the product. Great when working out in cool temps. Next is your third very important part of step 3, the price. Alice, here is how most people deal with the price. They do a search online for the current retail price of the item, new with tags, for example, $100. They price the item 50% below that, for example, $50. Generally, most items on Poshmark will sell for between $10 to $50. Here's a reminder, the buyer pays for the shipping cost. Congratulations, Alice, you're ready to list. Alice, here is the flow after you list your item on Poshmark. Here is how everyone plays nicely in Poshmark. Alice, you have a basic base here now, enough to know how to earn money with Poshmark. With experience, you will know how to make money faster. We are all looking forward to your success, Alice. You are now ready to go do your thing, Alice. Or check out the 3 secret bonus strategies I prepared for men in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Here's an additional bonus. You can get your hands on the Poshmark Detailed Explanation PDF. Just go down in the description and click on the link. Tell me in the comment section below which of the 3 ideas for men you will use after you watch that video. You can find the link for that video in the description section of this video, or you can click on the end screen to watch it there. Thanks for watching today.